In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install a time tracking integration with HubSpot. This process will help you manage your tasks and keep an accurate record of the time you spend on various projects, making your workflow more efficient and organized. To begin, we'll start in the HubSpot app marketplace. This is where you can find various time tracking apps that integrate seamlessly with HubSpot. Options like Teammetric or Clockify are popular choices, so consider them for their reliability and user-friendly interfaces. Once you find a suitable app, proceed with the installation. It's important to note that some of these apps might also prompt you to install a browser extension. These extensions are crucial as they ensure the functionality needed to track time directly from your HubSpot interface. After the installation is complete, the next step is all about starting that timer. Navigate to a contact, company, deal, or task within HubSpot. You'll notice that the time tracking app displays a timer button. This button is usually located near the contact's name or sometimes at the bottom of the activity log. It's conveniently placed so you can easily access it whenever you're ready to begin tracking your work. When you're prepared to track a specific piece of work, go ahead and click the Start Timer button. Once clicked, the timer kicks into action. The great thing about these integrations is that they often automatically pull relevant information directly from HubSpot, such as the task name, to create a time entry. Before your entry is officially recorded, you may also have the option to add further details like projects or whether the time is billable. This flexibility ensures that your time entry accurately reflects the work you're doing. As you wrap up your task, the next step is to stop and save the entry. This is as straightforward as hitting the Stop Timer button. Once clicked, your time entry is saved and added to your records. What's nice is that you can typically click on the saved entry later to edit or add more specific details if necessary. This feature is particularly handy if you realize you need to adjust some information after reviewing your work. Finally, it's time to explore the reporting features of your time tracking app. This is where the real insights come into play. You can analyze your tracked time, generate insightful reports, and better understand how your time is being spent across different tasks and projects. These reports can help you identify patterns and optimize your workflow, ensuring you're working as effectively as possible. And that's it. By following these steps, you'll have a time tracking system integrated with HubSpot that enhances your productivity and provides clarity in how your time is spent. Thanks for tuning in and happy tracking.